everything wrong with this user. Let's begin. First of all, those subscribers. Are you freaking kidding me? This asshole only has 16 subscribers. 16, 16, 16 subscribers. I mean, this is literally just sad. I don't even feel bad for the guy, to be honest. I look at the videos he's posting. He's posting SMO re-uploads or whatever. See? And they don't even get that many views. See? I mean, his videos are just literally terrible. AKA beyond terrible. And he hasn't posted in months. See? His last video was 3 months ago. I mean, what the hell? What's literally his point on YouTube if he hasn't posted on 3 months? I mean, that's just retarded. He hasn't posted in 3 months. He barely has 16 subscribers. And his channel and his videos are literally pointless. Look at the stuff he watches. SML? Really? I hate SML. And you should too. It's literally garbage. And look at the description. This channel has all the human puppet videos of SBL. What? Say so if you want more. Subscribe. No thank you. I'm fine. And look how many people visit his channel. 185. Look, 185. More people visit my channel, asshole, because it's actually interesting. And look at his profile picture of his YouTube channel. See, it has the human puppets. I mean, really, they're so freaking lame and retarded. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. This is just beyond stupid. Subscribe to these crazy texts. No thank you. I won't be subscribing to any of these assholes. They'll just be a waste of time. And yeah. And also, who gave you permission to upload those videos? Did Logan did? Did Logan did? I'm afraid not, so why is he posting those videos? I don't know, but by the way, they're still terrible. And also, his channel and all of his other videos, once again, suck. Well, guys, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching and bye.